on a one-way ticket. Where I go, only time will tell. Running through the shadows, trying to find the light. I won't back down, no, we'll put up a fight. Feeling so fine and it's time to let go. These days women seem to come and go, living this lifestyle of never growing old, never growing old. Myself standing right where I begun, made a dangerous living on having fun. Could have made a difference when I should have changed. Wouldn't live my life in any other way. Running too fast, gotta take it slow. Living this lifestyle, feel I'm growing old. I said I can't slow down and only time will tell. God only knows that's what I need is rehabilitation.
That's what I need.
Rehabilitation.
Yeah. That's what I need.
Rehabilitation.
Yeah. That's what I need.
Rehabilitation. Time again, I've been out on my own, out on the road so long, I think it's time to come home. I'm running too fast, gotta take it slow.